Hey everybody, Lewis here, Rshackbbq and other things. So today, going on a little road trip. Just going across the bridge, but thought I'd take you along and show you where we're going. Got somebody I want to introduce to you, so stick around. Let's get on the road. Today is February 22nd, I believe, and gotta go over across the town here. Gotta go get me some firewood. Somebody has some firewood for me, and I'm gonna go pick it up from them. So thought I would take you along on this little road trip, and looks like it's snowing up on the mountains there. The base of those clouds are. We had about probably 6 inches on the ground here. Today is Tuesday. We had 6 inches on the ground Saturday, and then Sunday, maybe it was Saturday night into Sunday. No, I take it back. Then Sunday night, it warmed up big time, and there was like a pineapple express, I guess you could call it, and the wind was blowing. Oh, it was crazy, but it basically melted all the snow we had around here. So right now, we don't have any snow down here, which is a good thing. I don't particularly like snow. I'd rather live somewhere where it wasn't snow on the ground, is the easiest way to put it. But hey, this is where my job is, so that's why we live here. The town I live in is pronounced East Wenatchee, and then we're going to go across the Columbia River, which separates East Wenatchee from Wenatchee. On one side of the river is east, the other side is Wenatchee. They don't call it West Wenatchee, it's just Wenatchee. But the nice thing about this area that we live in, you're talking about, 60 to 80,000 people in this little community here. You've got people that live outside what's considered the city, but right here in the main part, I think it's 60 to 80 if I remember right, between the two towns. So what I'm getting at there is we tell everybody basically you're 15 minutes from anywhere in town, because that's about how long it takes to get from one side to the other side or anywhere around. Right now it's people are getting off work, so a little heavier traffic, but usually it doesn't affect too much. So we will just wait here for this intersection. Here is one of the major intersections. We'll just wait for the light to give us the go-go, and then we'll go. Or we'll take our free ride. So, got the free ride done, and now we're just going to go across the river up here. Yeah, this morning it was absolutely beautiful. A little chilly, but nice and sunny. But it looks like there is some kind of weather blowing in. Might get a little snow, even though they didn't predict any snow. So we'll see what we wake up to once it gets that time. But right now, we'll just head over the bridge here and get into Wenatchee. got my GoPro running up there on the dash. Just letting it film the road and then go from there. This road right here in Wenatchee is a one-way heading north, and then there's a one-way heading south. And what's real nice about this is if you time it just right, you can get all the green lights all the way down because they seem to be in sequence. Unfortunately, I'm not going to make this one because so many people are turning. But they do have red light cameras too, so you don't want to risk it when you're doing this. There is another, we call it the Wenatchee Avenue. That's another way, but it's got lanes going both ways. And it goes right through what we call the downtown section, Old Wenatchee. So it's real slow and congested there, where these one-ways, they work out pretty good. Getting a little rain right now, so hopefully it ain't gonna last that long. You never know which way this. It's this way. Here on the right is the local junior college, Wenatchee Valley Community College, home of the Knights. I went to college there, played a little ball there until my knee blew out. But that was many years ago. Drive by this driveway that I'm looking for every time I come over here. So we're just going to kind of go nice and slow. No, it's not that. I think it's this one right up here where the garbage cans are. Back up in here, bump. They got speed bumps here. All right, there's my firewood. There he is out there getting ready to sell it to me. Looks like he's all drecked out in winter. So we made it. Maybe you recognize him. Anybody know who that is?
What's up, LT?
That would be GT's Barbecue.
Let's get our wood on.
Let's get our wood on. All right. So that's who we're coming over and seeing today.
Yeah, we got a little wood over here.
He's got a little wood. So he's gonna load it up in the back of my truck for me. Let me know when you're done.
Yeah, I'll be inside taking a nap.
Okay, there's the wood that Gary and I went in on. And he had it delivered to his house, so went over and got half from him. And I'm gonna be doing a smoke on the old smoker here pretty soon with the nice cherry wood that was all split. That's one of the things that I've realized over the years is as I get older, some things are worth paying for, and one of those things is cut and split seasoned wood. Days of me taking the chainsaw out and cutting a tree down and chopping it up for the wood, not going to happen very often. It's much easier just to pay someone to have it done. So anyhow, that's a quick little drive that we took here. Well, it was 2 weeks ago now, and it's actually turned out to be beautiful. Still got snow up on the hill, but all our snow down here is gone, which is nice, and it's warming up. So looking forward to springtime. Anyhow, till next time, thank you for watching. Grill on, my friends.